Have you ever been editing a video and felt like it was missing those perfect sound effects, but couldn't find the right ones? Don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you step by step how to use AI to automatically generate sound effects for your videos. And the best part? It's super easy, and you don't even need to spend time searching through sound libraries. Alright, let's dive in. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. First, you'll need one tool, HitPaw Edimakor. If you don't have it yet, I've left the download link in the description below. Step 2. AI Sound Effect Generator. Open Edimakor. Head over to the audio section and choose AI Sound Effect. You'll see two options, text to sound and video to sound. For now, we're sticking with video to sound. Now upload your video and enter the prompt word, something like, generate a voice recording of multiple kittens meowing. You can also specify what you don't want in the audio. For example, I don't want any background noise in the video. Then, click Generate, and in just a few seconds, a sound effect will show up. Next, click the Add button next to the generated sound effect. And that's it. Super quick and easy. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.